In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pause subscription in Stripe. Pausing a subscription in Stripe is useful when a customer needs a temporary break from billing, or when you want to halt payment collection without canceling the subscription entirely. Here is how to do it clearly and safely from the dashboard. Start in your Stripe dashboard. From the left-hand navigation, open Billing, then select Subscriptions. Find the subscription you want to pause. You can use the search bar or filters to locate it quickly. Click into the subscription to open its details page. In the top right area of that page, look for the Action menu, sometimes labeled Actions or represented by an ellipsis. From that menu, choose Pause Payment Collection. Stripe will prompt you to choose how you want the pause to work. You can pause indefinitely, which is best if you are not sure when billing should resume. Or you can set a specific time period. If you choose a date range, Stripe will automatically resume payment collection when that end date arrives, which helps avoid forgetting to turn things back on later. If your timeline is unclear, choose an indefinite pause and plan to resume manually when you are ready. Next, review invoice behavior during the pause. You can stop generating invoices entirely, or you can keep them as drafts. Stopping invoices is clean and avoids clutter while payments are paused. Keeping invoices as drafts is helpful if your team needs to preview amounts or maintain internal workflows without sending anything to customers. Drafts won't be sent or attempted for payment until the subscription resumes, so they're safe to keep for review. If your plan includes usage-based or metered billing, you can continue recording metered events while the subscription is paused. Those events will be tracked, but they won't be invoiced until the subscription resumes. This is helpful if you need full usage visibility during the pause without charging the customer immediately. If you manage subscriptions programmatically, you can also update a subscription status to paused using the Stripe API. This is great for automating pauses based on business logic. Be sure to try changes in test mode first to confirm your settings behave as expected before applying them in production. When you are ready to start billing again, simply return to the same subscription in the dashboard and choose to resume. You can do this at any time, even if you originally set an end date. That's it. You've paused a subscription without canceling it, with full control over timing, invoicing, and usage tracking. Thanks for watching.